Besides the basic 5-petal flower, another beautiful flower to make using petal tips is the ribbon petal. We're going to be piping long ribbon-like petals starting from the outside until we fill in the middle. This is a pretty loose technique. The turning motion as we pipe creates a little wave and it makes a very rustic looking flower. You can pipe this with a flower nail, but I want to show you this technique on a cupcake. I'm going to start with a decorating bag fitted with a tip 104 using medium consistency icing. I'm going to place my tip on the outside of the cupcake. I'm going to place it here, not here. Not all the way to the outside, but about 1/4 of an inch in. Pay attention to how I'm holding the bag. The wide end is touching the cupcake and I'm kind of at an angle. You need a little angle so that your ribbon petal has some lift to it, or else it's going to just turn out flat. I'm going to place my cupcake on the table to do this technique. I'm going to squeeze, and as I'm squeezing, I'm turning the cupcake so I can build my ribbon. You need to keep your pressure steady so that your ribbon doesn't break. As I'm turning, it will naturally make a wave. See how this makes the petal look just a little bit more ruffled. I want to point out that I'm not starting directly on my stopping point. I'm overlapping a bit to give it some texture. Also, with my tip this upright, you can see some of the cake. And I like that look. But if you don't want that, just angle the tip closer to the surface. For this last row, I'll just keep spiraling until I cover the center. And then I'm going to stop squeezing and pull away. You can pipe a center if you like to. I like a little cluster of dots, and I think it would look really pretty in the middle. And if you're in a hurry, this is a quick trick. You can add a little bit of black sanding sugar right in the middle. If you don't like a lot of icing, this is a perfect cupcake for you. You can definitely pipe this in royal icing too. You'll just have to do it on a flower nail. But you're going to have to pipe it a little smaller and a little tighter to fit the head of the nail.